This is our inspo picture for tonight, you guys. It's a truck with pumpkins in it and a little Highland cow in the back. So I start by throwing the cab of the truck and then putting all the bracing pieces in for the front fenders and the hood. Then I'm going to get started on the bed of the truck in the back. Then, you guys, I'm going to start adding in the fenders and the little rails and stuff. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button below so you can come back and watch part 2. Thanks, guys. See you later.